Hello friends, this is Yvette from Yvette Olea Creates, and I am here to share how to make a quick and easy birthday card using our quick card recipe and products from the Quick Card Kit Birthday Bundle. I will be sure to link to the products I've used in the description box below. To make my card, I have decided to use this adorable Crafty Quokka paper pad. I will also be using the Wonky Wavy Stitched Oval craft dies, as well as the Hooray Shadow Sentiment craft die. Now I am going to add some of these pretty Happy Summer enamel dots. I'm going to use this pretty confetti pattern paper from the paper pad as the main background panel. And then I'm going to pull in some of the different pattern papers from the paper pad and cut a bunch of ovals with the smallest of the Wonky Wavy Stitched Oval dies. Now with all the ovals that I have cut, I'm going to arrange them over the confetti paper for some added interest. Once I have the ovals placed and attached, I will cut the panel with the largest of the Wonky Wave stitched rectangle dies so that the stitched detail is on all of the cardstock. I have decided to use a black card base so that the pretty colors of the pattern paper will pop just a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the card panel to the card base, and I will add a white panel to the inside of the card to make it easier to write a message to the recipient of this lovely card. Now, I just need to decide if I want to use this black glitter or silver as the shadow to the word. And I think I like the black glitter shadow much better. And here you have our quick and easy birthday card using the Cat Scrappiness Quick Card recipe and products from the Quick Card Kit birthday bundle. I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration today. Thanks for watching. Bye.